Hello, my fellow mathematician. We are looking at volume of common solid. A solid is a three-dimensional object, and the volume has to do with the amount of space occupied by an object. So, the volume of in this consideration, we are considering a cone, and the volume of a cone is given by base area multiplied by height, and you divide by 3. In this case, now we have a cone whose radius we want to consider the radius here to be 14 centimeter, and we want to consider our height to be equal to, let's say, 6 centimeter for the purpose of just this presentation. So volume will be given by a third multiplying by 22/7 multiplying by, while you have radius squared, you square 14 centimeter multiplying by 14 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. So you can begin by multiplying the numerator, whereby you have 1 times 22 times 14 squared times 6. So you have 1 times 22 times 14 times 14 times 6. This, you can use your calculator to do this, and this will give you 25,872 cubic centimeter. When you multiply centimeter will give you cubic centimeter. This one divided by 3 times 7 is 21. So you can leave your answer as fraction, or you simplify it by dividing with 21. Again, you can make use of your calculator, and it will give you 1,232. This is equivalent to 1,232 cubic centimeter. So that is the volume of this cone. Now this volume can be given by changing the, you can be told to give your volume in SI unit. So to do that, you use this transformation, that 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1 million. 1 million cubic centimeter. And this one, now you divide it with the 1 million. So the volume of this cone will be given by 0.00132 cubic meter. After dividing this one with the 1 million, it will give you 0.00132 cubic meter. Now, if you want to study the volume of other common solid, you can check in my YouTube channel, whereby I have covered all of them into details, and you are going to obtain your result. Also, on how to convert cubic meter into cubic centimeter, you can check on my YouTube channel on how I have arrived at this. Also, the surface area of all these, the surface area of our cone, the surface area of other common solid like cylinder, pyramid, cube, cuboid, all of them we have covered. I request you to check in my YouTube channel, and you are going to obtain your result in a very simple step method, which are easy to comprehend. So for our cone, what you need to remember is that the volume is given by a third by r squared height. At times you could be given this slanting height, and you don't have the height of this cone. So in case you don't have that height, you use the Pythagoras theorem to obtain the height. But in our case here, we are given the height, so you simply multiply and you simplify your result. Then the volume of our cone is very simple, because all what you need to do is to write your formula, substitute the given values, and then using your calculator, you key in the given value, and then you simplify and you get your answer. The other part which is critical, it is for you to know the conversion from one unit to another. When you know this conversion, then you enjoy doing mathematics, because mathematics is the simplest subject you will ever study. It is very simple, provided you master the concept. And that is why now I'm here to give you the basics, so that you may master them and you may make use of them. So bye bye. See you in the next video, which I upload every day. I request you also to remember to like, to subscribe, and also to share with the other mathematician. Also click on the notification bell, which will notify you of what I do every day.